Hello guys, welcome to my channel English with GBR sir. My name is Basu Raj, an English teacher, and today I am going to explain you the usage of helping verbs. How to use helping verbs. Before that, those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please press the bell icon. Okay, let's start without further ado, one by one. For example, first one, am. ಆಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೈರ್ಡ್, ನನಗೆ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಎರಡನೇದು. ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಅವನೊಬ್ಬ ವೈದ್ಯ. ಆರ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫೀಸ್, ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ವಾಸ್, ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. ವರ್, ದೇ ವರ್ ಅಟ್ ದ playground. B, let it be done immediately. Been, I have been to Delhi many times. Being merciful, she is helping the poor. Have, I have done my duty, that's all. Has, she has a new phone. Had, they had breakfast together. Do you like tea? Does, what does he do now? What does he do at present? Did they inform you? Will, I will call you later. Shall we go now? Should, you should not smoke here. Would, I would like to have coffee. Can, I can't come with you. Could you tell me the time, please? May I go now? May I go now? May I go now? Next, might, it might rain late tonight. Must, you must obey your parents. Ought, you ought to go immediately. Need, you need not come with us. Dare, how dare you talk like that? ನೋಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮರೆಯದೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.